Mrs. Barker. I teach French and Latin, and my passion is life. My greatest creative pleasure is composing music, but since I have only 1 minute in which to share something, and since my shortest composition is over 3 minutes long, I'd like to share with you something else that I enjoy very much: riding a bike to school and back a couple of times a week. And I also ride on the weekends. I am always very careful to ride on streets that are not too busy, to wear bright colors, to use my lights when it is getting dark, and to stay alert to traffic and to pedestrians. And I wear my helmet too, right? And before, this helmet was just one color, black. So I painted it to match this bike. Here's some blue, and here's some white, just like on the bike, blue and white. And here's some reflective stickers that I put on my helmet, and I also put it on my backpack, and they reflect the light so that I can be seen from really far away. So the next time I see you guys, I want to hear about your bicycle adventures, okay? All right, thank you.